Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. I am going to teach you a program which calculate factorial in Java using recursion. So let's get started. I am going to open an online compiler for the doing coding and execution. But also you practice with me, so your coding will be improved. And firstly, I want to talk basic things about recursion. What we need to keep in mind while solving recursion problem. So uh, the basic means of recursion is we need to uh, convert main problem into sub problem while solving a recursion problem. So we need to keep in mind in two things. First is base case, and another one is recursive call. So what is the base case of the problem, and what is the should be the recursive call of the problem. So we need to keep in mind in while solving these two concept. Okay, so I'm going to open an online compiler, Java compiler. So let's see. I'm going to insert an scanner class for taking user input. Import java.util.scanner scanner. I'm making an object for a scanner class. Sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and we need to write here an text for better understanding of input. So enter a number to find factorial. We need to remove, so our cursor will be the next from line. Okay, int n is equals to sc dot next, and we need to write. Okay, done. We need to make an function. So I'm making function public static int uh, factorial using factorial using using recursion. Int n, I'm going to write base case. Base case. So what should be the base case of an integer? Factorial. As we know, the uh, base case. What should be the base case? If I'm explaining it, like I'm entering to calculate. I'm entering an integer to calculate factorial. So I'm entering 5. So 5 will ask to 4, and 4 will ask to 3, and 3 will ask to 2, and 2 will ask to 1, and 1 will ask to 0. And we know the factorial of 1 and 0 is 1. So we need to write these things for base case. So I'm writing here, if n is equals to 0 or no, 0 is better, then you need to return what? 1. This is the base case. Else what we need to write? We need to calculate a recursive call. We need to call recursive call, return n into what? Factorial of given number minus 1 and -1. So it is the done quoting. I am going to just store a result and print it. Print result is equals to what? Factorial I need to write output statement. So I am writing output statement system dot out dot println, print only factorial of n means user input is result. So this is done. So it will work perfectly. It is coming. आ गया. Factorial means I am entering 5 120. Execution successfully. We are entering 1, finding factorial. So factorial of 1 is 1. It is calculating perfectly, and I am going to enter 0 0 का 0 होगा 0. So it's executing perfectly. So this is all for today. So I'm going to finish it. And thank you. Have a nice day and do coding with me. And I will solve and every type of problem of a DSA, and I will cover. I will try to cover each and everything for tech. Okay. So be with me and keep learning and कोडिंग करते रहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.